grilled chicken wings. So what we do is a two-part cooking. So we take our wings that have been spiced with paprika, a little cayenne, a little cumin, onion, garlic, black pepper, whatever you like, honestly.
Well, that's everything I like.
All it's right there. And we mix it up and we salt it and then we roast it, right? And the reason that we pre-season it is because we don't want just the exterior to be really flavored and then the interior to be bland, okay? So you want to concentrate it, you want to let it cure, and then we roast it. And then what we're going to do is make a little sauce right here. This is pomegranate molasses.
One of my favorite ingredients.
Which is like sweet, sour, delicious.
That's exactly it. It's sweet and sour. That's what makes it so beautiful.
It's wonderful. Honestly, on anything. A little bit of harissa, because we like spicy here, right?
You ever tried the rose harissa?
Yeah, I love it.
Oh,
love it. So good. And that would actually work really well with this, too. And honestly, the moral of the story is you
a little honey.
A little bit of honey. And what you do is you just take what you like and you mix it, and you can use it to glaze and lacquer. Right? So we use
lacquer.
a lot of...
How sexy does that sound?
And, right, you get to use lacquer in context here in food. Okay, so we're just going to mix this up. Let's give this a little taste.
Okay.
Already delicious.
Oh, my God.
I mean, that could be...
stick it on my arm and take a bite.
You could honestly... Right. Which we're going to do next, right? Yeah. And then we're going to throw our chicken in.
Oh.
Okay, that's already been sort of cooked. We're going to mix it up. And all this sweet, all this sour is going to concentrate. It's going to glaze, and it's going to be wonderful. But this would work with duck. This would even work with steak. And I know that like we definitely don't serve pork at Laser Wolf, but honestly, on a pork chop, it would be amazing.
It would be delicious.
Yeah. Okay, so we're just going to put this down, and we're going to let this grill. Now, you guys can do this with your backyard barbecue, over charcoal, over wood. You can use a grill pan or even in the broiler, too. I mean, I feel like
I was just going to say, the broiler would probably give even less, like, mess, you know what I mean, to clean up.
Definitely, and I feel like also, especially over pandemic, everybody's realized that they have a broiler that works really well, right?
They're like, what did I do with that broiler pan that came with the stove 18 years ago?
I'm a professional chef. Until last year, I had never used a broiler in my house, ever. I had the pans that were sitting there that we got with the oven that I had never used. All right, so we're just going to put these down. Now, while that's going to happen, we're going to make our little tahina ranch sauce, okay? So tahina sesame paste.
I love tahina so much. I make pasta sauces out of it. I make yogurt and tahina dips. It's one of my most used ingredients. I always have like 3 or 4
jars of it, right?
Yeah,
it's the best. We drink it, actually. Yeah. But can you do me a favor? Do you want to grate up a little shallot and garlic? Is that cool?
Sure.
All right, I'm going to chop up dill. Wow, you've done this before. I'm a little scared for her fingers, but yeah. So the idea with this, also, we're taking tahina sauce, which is used for everything, every grilled sort of item with Israeli cooking. We're going to add ranch seasoning to it, so we got a little garlic.
Guys. Ground sesame.
Yes, exactly.
So
100%
delicious.
sesame. We're going to throw in a little dill. We're going to throw in a little onion, a little garlic powder, a little black pepper, and we're going to mix this up. And this is going to be our dipping sauce right here. It's cool because it's dairy-free, right? So you can make a dairy-free like Caesar salad with this.
That's why
it's so
I
good.
love using it for so many different dishes, because it's a really great offering that I can make vegan for folks that come over, you know, so you have an offering.
Exactly.
And I love fresh dill. It's one of the most underused.
So good.
One of the most underused items, right?
I love it. We love it. We use it a ton.